be Mr. Right, but he is certainly Mr.
The
Smooth.
Blue Jays will be without starter Jim Clancy for a couple of weeks.
Hey everyone! Today, we have an exciting story straight from the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope has just mapped the high-speed burps of a nearby supermassive black hole for the first time. Stick around to learn all about this groundbreaking discovery. Located in the heart of the Zwicky 1 galaxy, about 847 million light-years away, this supermassive black hole is powering a quasar that's making headlines. Quasars are incredibly bright and energetic regions surrounding supermassive black holes, and Zwicky 1 is no exception. This quasar's plasma burps are moving at an astonishing speed of up to 6.5 million miles per hour. That's around 8,500 times the speed of sound. But what exactly are these burps, and why are they so important? Supermassive black holes, like the one in Zwicky 1, have immense gravitational pulls that attract surrounding matter into a spinning accretion disk. As matter spirals closer, it heats up and creates powerful jets of charged particles that shoot out at incredible speeds. These are the burps, or outflows, we're talking about. What's fascinating here is that these jets don't come from within the black hole's event horizon, the point where not even light can escape. Instead, they're from the matter in the accretion disk, accelerated by intense magnetic fields. Zwicky 1 is particularly special because of its orientation and the clarity of the data we can collect. This allows us to deeply analyze the ionized gas movements within the quasar, providing rare insights into these dynamic processes. Using the Hubble Space Telescope, astronomers identified 4 distinct outflows of plasma from this supermassive black hole, moving at varying speeds. These observations help us understand how supermassive black holes interact with their environments and grow over time. One of the outflows is so powerful that it appears to overshadow another, creating a shadow effect. This interaction sheds light on the complex mechanisms at play near these cosmic giants. Zwicky 1's quasar serves as a perfect laboratory for studying the extreme conditions in active galactic nuclei, AGN. This discovery brings us one step closer to understanding how these titanic forces shape galaxies. Isn't space just incredible? The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in space discoveries, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.